Do you know that Bybit just added a new mind-blowing features in your trading platform? The feature is known as what? Copy trading, which means that you have the ability or the access to copy expert traders. Okay, you know what they are doing, you see what they are doing, you see the trades that they are taking, you are seeing their winning rate and their losing rate, so you know which trader is actually winning in the market, and then you copy the person's trade and put in your own platform and you trade and make money for yourself. Now it sounds so simple because it is so simple, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to get started in Bybit copy trading from start to finish, which means making profit. So stay tuned as you get started in this video. Okay guys, so welcome back from that short break. I hope you are subscribed to my channel if you have not subscribed. Okay, so like I was saying, that Bybit just gave us a new feature, which is the copy trading, and that takes away the stress of doing analysis for yourself before you can trade and make money. So all I'm just going to do right in this video is just to copy expert traders based on their winning ratio, and then copy their trade and paste and make money from their trade as they're also making money. Okay, so before we get started there, I'm going to show you how to deposit. Okay, for the favor of those that don't know how to deposit using Bybit. Okay, so first of all, what I need to do is to have money in my trading account. Okay, so I'll just go over here and click on asset. So you know I already have an account with Bybit, and if you are new to Bybit, that means you don't have an account with Bybit. I'm going to drop my referral link in the description of this video for you to register. Okay, and when you register, you stand a chance to get $600 bonus, okay, for completing your tax after registration. So I will just go to assets overview, and then I'm going to deposit using the currency because I have the currency in my wallet. So had it been I want to deposit it never, I would have used the P2P section. Okay, but for the fact that I want to deposit USDT and I have it in my wallet, my trust wallet, I'm just going to go to deposit here, and then I'm going to choose the asset that I want to deposit, which is USDT. And also I'm going to take note of the network. If my USDT is Ethereum network or Binance network, okay, whichever network, I have to be sure so that I don't lose my wallet token. So USDT, and then I choose my network. I'm choosing BSC network. So you can see different network here. So you have to be sure that the network you are choosing match with the one you are sending with. Okay. So I have acknowledged that, and this is the address and scan. So I'm just going to scan it. Okay. And I'm just going to, for this tutorial, I'm going to start with just $25. Okay. So I'm going to send from my Trust Wallet. Okay, you can see I'm going to scan the barcode so that I can get the address. Okay. All right. So I just okay, got the barcode, okay, from my address from the barcode scanning. So I've sent the money from my Trust Wallet. Okay, I sent 25 USDT. So I'm going to wait for it to reflect in my Bybit wallet. Then I can then go ahead to what show you how to go on with what copy trading. So let me refresh so that I'm going to see my balance being top up with 25 US dollars. 25 US dollars or 25 USD something. Okay, so guys, so it's still not yet reflected. So we're going to wait a bit for the network confirmation to be completed, and then my wallet will be topped up with 25 USDT. Okay, we're going to make it up to 8. Africa. Oh my guys, they just deposited my account. Okay, let's put our video stuff. Wow, that was it. Bitch. Ain't going to know what they got to do, bitch. All right, guys, as you can see that my wallet has been topped up with what 25 USDT, okay, and I sent from my Trust Wallet, okay. So now that I have topped up my wallet with what I want to trade with, I will then go over to use the new Bybit features, which is copy trading, so that I will not pass through the stress of doing technical or fundamental analysis by myself before taking trade. Okay, so I will just go over to what the market section, trade. Okay, let's go for it. Derivative. Now, when you go back to derivative, you're going to see the option that says what? Copy trading. That is the one you are going to click. Bam. So when you click on the copy trading section, it's going to take you to the copy trading platform for Bybit, okay? And you're going to see it. Okay, you can see that they have over 125,000 183 people who are joining the copy trade, okay? And you can see the list of what principal traders, okay, which are expert traders. And you can see King Margin, which is a King Margin 6868. He has a 100% win rate, okay? And this is his profit. This is trading capital and everything. And you can see GP has 94.59% win rate. And you can see General Sherman, he has what 100% win rate. See, so this is how you are going to analyze what these expert traders based on their what win rate, and you can see the 100% and 6% depending on how they are trading, okay, and their trading history. So this is where you now look at the trader that you like his format, okay, or his pairs that he trades, and then you copy his trade. So as he's making money, you're also what making money because you are what copying his trade. Okay, so now this is here. They have a minimum of people that can copy each trader's trade. When that amount is gotten, it will show full. Okay, so that means I cannot copy General Sherman trade now because it's automatically what feed up with people who are already copying his trade. Okay, so I will go over to others that they are not. So you can see that this guy here is blockchain pro. He also has what 100% win rate, and he has over 20,000 followers. Okay, okay, so you can see I can now copy his trade. So I'll click on copy. All right, so when I click on copy, now before I'm going to click on copy, I have to ensure that I have transferred my funds from my funding wallet to my what trading wallet. So that's why you are seeing balance zero. And you know that I just transferred 25 US dollars into my account. Okay, but it's showing zero here. Why? Because I have not transferred my fund from the funding account to what my trading account. So I'll go over to my wallet section to transfer my fund from funding account to what trading account. So let's go and do that before we come back to what to copy the expert traders and then make money while they are also what making money. So I'll come here, you can see that the money is in my export. I'll click on transfer, okay, and then I'll click on the pair which I have, so which is a USDT. So I click on USDT, I click on all, which is what $25, and then I'll click on transfer. So I'm transferring the $25 from my spot wallet to my derivative or futures wallet. So when I click on confirm, that means I've transferred the money to my trading wallet account. Okay, then I'll just go back and refresh here so that it's going to reflect that I have what funded my trading account, so I can have the chance, okay, to copy other traders. Okay, so let's wait for the refresh and see. Okay, so I just observed that the trading account, the derivative trading account, and the copy trading is all actually a different account. Okay, and I have transferred my fund from spot to derivative, so I will have to transfer it again from what my derivative to what copy trading account. Okay, so I just discovered that now. So I'll just click on all. Okay, I'll transfer my $28 from my trading account to my what copy trading account. So now that I've successfully transferred the money from my derivative account to my copy trading account, that's not shown what in my copy trading account. So now this is now the contract. Okay, this is now blockchain pro, and he's a principal trader for 27 days, and he has a 100% what win rate. Okay, and he's sharing what 10%. You see, so what I'm going to do now, this is the pair that I trace. All right, these are the different contracts that I trade. So I'm going to pick the one I want to trade. So let me go with let's go with BTC. Okay, let's just go with all of them. Okay, let's copy history, and I'll just put all my funds. Okay, and I'll choose my leverage. I'll choose just 5. All right, and then if I want to set stop, I can set my stop loss. Okay, my stop loss like percentage of taking profit and my stop loss. Okay, but let me just keep it at 20. at 20% and stop loss at 10%, okay? So of my account, okay? Then after I've set everything, I'll click on next, and then you can see everything already set as rated 5. This is what risk management, okay? Then I click on what copy. So that is actually everything from my end. So whenever this guy Doshenpo is trading, making profit from this particular trade, from the trade, I'm going to be also what making money just as the way he's making money. So I don't go through the stress of doing analysis, drawing patterns. Okay, I just copy the expert guys what they are doing and leverage on them and what to make money for myself using what I can afford to lose. You see, so I just have to say that because it's not a financial world, right? But I bet you follow this strategy, you're going to make more than you because trading on yourself by yourself is very stressful. And if you are not an expert, it's not advisable to trade the futures market by yourself. It is best you copy what uh, expert traders are trading, okay, the paid are trading and their mode of trading so that you don't what make losses. Okay, even if you make losses, it's not going to be more than the profit that you are making. That's why you see most exchanges are now what adapting to use what copy trading feature in their platform. That's why Bybit also has brought this feature for everyone to what use and make profit. So you can see whenever there's a profit, it's going to reflect in my what net profit account. Okay, so I can just what see I can withdraw it whenever I want to withdraw and go out of trade whenever I want to go out from the trade. It is not an investment, guys. Okay, so this is one way you can learn. So as I'm doing this, I can also be learning how to trade and also growing my skills so that I also can become an expert one day and others can copy from me. And that is the best thing. Okay. So this is it. If you have any question about comment, just drop in the comment section. I'm going to give you the best. And I'm not very sad. Can you use my link in the description of this video for YouTube so that you're going to get 600%, $600 okay bonus when you register with my link.